Hello everybody, my name is AJP and you're watching DMW and this is Undertaker versus Kill Switch. And here comes Undertaker. First match in DMW history. I cannot wait for this match. And here comes Kill Switch. This is his second match. If you didn't watch the last match already, Braun Breaker won, and he's the DMW champion. In a stare off. Taker blocking that shot, and wait a second, choke slam by the Undertaker. What is the Undertaker thinking here now? And Kill Switch with a big right elbow, and now just punching Undertaker. In a clothesline. And when the Undertaker stands up. And Undertaker body slam by the Undertaker. Choke slam by the Undertaker. 1, 2, 3. The Undertaker has won this match. Everybody, hope you enjoyed that match. I know my matches are quite short, but if you guys want me to make longer matches, then I can. Just comment down below.